In the second example, we're going to talk about the list operation and give some comprehension examples. So here we have this list, and then we have some list, secondary list called the exclusion list. So what we're doing, we are basically trying to have this list, but filter out whatever is included in exclusion list. So for that purpose, we're saying elements for element in sample list 1, which is our original list, if element not in exclusion list. So if I do that, I'll end up with a list, but 4 and 5 has been removed from that. And another example is just we don't really need this. So in some cases, I wanted my list here, but I just want to remove all the occurrences of number 2. So for that purpose, I'm saying element for elements in sample list 1, if that element is not equal to 2. So I'll end up with everything, but 2's are removed from that. And if you can see, originally I had 2 of 2 there. And then another example is basically if I want to find out the index of number 2 or number negative 100 in this case. So I'll say index for index and element, this comma, and then I use enumerate. Enumerate will return two output. One is the index and one is the value if the element is equal negative 100. So in this case, it'll give me an index of 8 and 9, which are the indices of negative 100 occurrence in my list.